Let's go.
Good afternoon, Sally Simpson. Mary speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, Mary. How's it going today?
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, it's Mary here. How may I help you?
Yes, hi, my girlfriend doesn't make a booking for the classroom, please.
Who's this, sorry?
This is Caleb.
Yeah, what can I help you?
My girlfriend doesn't make a booking for the classroom, please.
A makeup?
Make a booking for the classroom. My girlfriend needs to make a booking for the classroom.
What's the child's name?
Ali Wilson.
Sorry, what's her name?
Ali Wilson.
Where is he swimming? No for Malabarunga.
Okay, no worries.
Which school is he swimming?
Swimming, in Parramatta.
What day?
Every weekday. For tomorrow.
On Friday, what time?
In the morning about 8 a.m. In the morning about 9 a.m.
9 a.m. in the morning, tomorrow, Friday.
Yes.
What's the child's name?
Ali Wilson.
Ali Wilson.
Yeah, that's it, yep.
Alright,
Yeah, that's it, yep.
Can you spell me the first name?
Yeah, sure. ALLIE. Yeah, that's it, yep.
Tomorrow at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, that's it, yep. No, yeah, at 9 o'clock, yes, tomorrow morning.
Is that the normal day he swim?
Yes.
Can you spell me the surname?
Yeah, sure. WILSON.
Is it V for Victor?
No, Ali Wilson. It's WILSON. Yeah, Wilson.
Parramatta, is that right?
Pardon?
Is it no Parramatta?
Yes. Yep, that's right, yep. Yep, that's right.
I don't have that name yet.
Okay, my girlfriend doesn't make a booking for the swimming, that's all. My girlfriend needs to make a booking for the swimming for the classroom.
Does he have a class here tomorrow?
Yes, that's right, yes.
Who's the teacher?
I don't know the teacher, sorry. I don't know the teacher.
You don't know the teacher?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Yep.
I only got Likely Jackson here.
Yes, okay, sure. That's fine.
Is it yours?
Yes, mine, yes.
What's the date of birth?
The 31st of December. 31st of December. 1996.
1996.
Yes, that's right. Yep, 31st of December. Oh, no, that's not it. That's not it. It's the 1st of January. 1st of January. 1996 is called.
I really don't understand what are you trying to say. Is the class is for yourself?
Yeah, for my girlfriend.
For your girlfriend?
Yeah, that's it.
We
Yep.
don't have anything on Friday. We only have adult classes on Monday.
Yes, okay, sure. That's fine. Yep, that's fine. On Monday will be good.
Sorry?
Yep, on Monday will be good, sure.
Monday, 11 o'clock.
Yep, that's fine.
But not next Monday. There's no classes next Monday. It's a public holiday.
Okay, maybe next Tuesday.
So just ring us after next Monday, on next week.
Yep, okay, sure. Alright, next Tuesday will be good.
Yeah, you need to ring if you want to come on Monday, ring on Saturday next week.
Okay, no, it's okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah?
Oh, sorry. Maybe tomorrow.
Sorry?
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow, nothing tomorrow. Tomorrow only afternoon.
Yeah, tomorrow afternoon will be good. Tomorrow afternoon will be good.
6:30 tomorrow.
Yes, that's right, yeah.
You coming tomorrow, 6:30?
Yes, I'm, yep.
What name?
No, we ought to give you a name. My girlfriend doesn't make a bucket for the classroom.
So what's your girlfriend's name?
Ali Wilson. I already told you that. Ali Wilson.
Annie Wilson. What's the date of birth?
I told you, I already gave you the birth, remember?
Yeah, but I'm not really clear the way you talk. It's too fast.
1st of January, 1996.
Contact number.
Pardon? My contact number?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, 62.
04?
No, not 04. No, not 04, that's a moment number. My house phone number is,
Home number?
yeah, sure, 62,
Okay, what's the number?
62,
Yeah.
557,
557, yeah.
669.
761.
No, 669. 66, no. Let's start again. 62, 557.
55, is that right?
No, 62. Let's start again. 62,
62, yeah.
557,
557, yeah.
669.
669.
Yeah, that's right, yep.
Okay.
And the area code is 02. It's not 04. The area code is 02.
It's 02.
Yes, area code, yes.
Yeah, 02. Which area? What address do you have?
Australia, it's pardon?
Yeah.
Yep, that's fine.
What's the surname?
My last name?
What's the surname? Is it Wilson?
Yeah, that's right, yep. Wilson, yeah, that's right, yep. And then her first name is Ali.
Tomorrow, is that right?
Yes.
At 6:30?
Yep, that's right, yep.
So that would be 5 weeks.
Yep, that's fine, yeah, sure, that's fine.
So it's $26 times 5 weeks.
Yep, that's fine, yep, that's fine. Yep, that's fine, yeah, that's fine.
So the total will be $155, including your enrollment fee of $25.
Okay, can I pay by cash tomorrow?
Or I can hold you the spot for tomorrow.
Yeah, sure, I'm fine.
Yeah, so you just come in tomorrow and just pay the fee, yeah?
Yeah, sure, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.
No worries, welcome. Bye-bye. Bye.
Thank you, bye.